nail art. Nail art is something exciting, because nail art is not only some glitter or some foil. Nail art is how to be a creative. You know, the people always want to have some new designs. The most important is not only design, the most important is the way how you get to design. Design you can make complicated and take a long time for that. At this training, I will show you some really fast designs. At the moment when the client will become this, she will say, wow, how fast you did it. So at the nail art training, I will show you fast designs for salon for your clients. And I will show you some interesting designs, maybe which takes a lot of longer time, but something special. Because you are nail technical and you are something special. So I will show you the way how to make a nail art fast, because if you know how it is, you will not want to stop to make it.